Friends, imagine this. You're on a relentless quest to manifest your deepest desires, investing time, effort, and energy into the process. You follow all the popular manifestation techniques, yet something seems to be missing. Despite your best intentions, the outcomes you seek remain elusive. But what if I told you that there is a missing piece to the puzzle, a secret ingredient that holds the key to unlocking the door to your dreams? In this video, we will unravel the mysteries surrounding successful manifestation by introducing you to the groundbreaking strategies of the legendary Dolores Cannon. With her invaluable insights, you will discover the 7 secret steps to manifesting success with your mind and the universe itself. Before we dive into the depths of this life-changing information, I invite you to hit that like button and support our channel. By doing so, you enable us to continue sharing powerful knowledge with you, helping you unlock the unlimited potential within. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. By joining our community, you'll never miss an opportunity to tap into the secrets of manifestation and embark on a transformative journey towards creating the life of your dreams. Now, get ready to peel back the layers of the manifestation process, uncovering the missing piece that has eluded you. Through Dolores Cannon's proven strategies and the 7 secret steps to manifesting success, you will learn how to harness the unlimited power of your mind and align with the vast wisdom of the universe. All right. Let's dive into the secrets of manifestation, breaking down the steps that will lead you to achieve the life you desire. We will start with Dolores Cannon's quantum healing hypnosis technique and its connection to scientific principles. Hypnosis has been widely studied and recognized as a valid therapeutic tool. It involves inducing an altered state of consciousness, allowing individuals to access deeper levels of the mind. This state can be measured using brain imaging techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging and electroencephalography. The concept of the subconscious mind is widely accepted in psychology and neuroscience. It is understood as a vast reservoir of memories, emotions, and beliefs that influence our thoughts and behaviors. Crott utilizes the power of the subconscious mind to access repressed memories, explore past lives, and gain insight into current life circumstances. The mind-body connection is a well-established concept in scientific research. Studies have shown that our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions can profoundly impact our physical health and well-being. Crott aims to tap into this mind-body connection to facilitate healing and resolve deep-rooted emotional and physical issues. You see, it all starts with having a clear vision. Close your eyes and imagine, in vivid detail, the life you want to create. See it, feel it, and connect with it on a deep level. Thoughts and beliefs are powerful magnets that shape our reality. What you think about, you attract into your life. Harness the power of your thoughts and align them with what you desire. Fill your mind with positive and empowering beliefs that support your vision. Energy serves as the building blocks of our world, shaping our experiences. Choose to create a reality surrounded by positivity. Surround yourself with uplifting influences, positive affirmations, and supportive environments. Have faith in yourself and the journey you're embarking on. Focus on what you desire with unwavering intensity of mind power. Believe in your abilities, trust in the process, and keep your eyes firmly fixed on your dreams. Friends, now let's discuss the powerful 7 steps technique by the great hypnotherapist, Dolores Cannon. Follow me till the end as you don't want to miss out any step. Step 1. Use imagination and all your senses to create a vivid picture of success in your mind. Close your eyes and let your imagination soar. Imagine yourself already living the life of your dreams, experiencing success in all areas. Use all your senses to create a vivid mental picture. See the colors, Hear the sounds and feel the emotions associated with this extraordinary achievement. By immersing yourself in this future reality, you align your thoughts and energy with the success you desire. Step 2. Understand the law of things happening. What you plant, you will harvest. In the grand tapestry of the universe, everything operates according to the law of cause and effect. What you sow, you shall reap. Your thoughts, actions, and intentions shape your reality. Plant positive and empowering seeds in your mind and watch as they sprout into opportunities and manifestations in your life. Step 3. Conquer fear by embracing it with an open heart. Fear can be a signal that success is close. Fear, often seen as a deterrent, can actually be a signpost pointing towards success. Embrace fear with an open heart, for it signifies that you are stepping out of your comfort zone and onto the path of growth. Instead of allowing fear to paralyze you, let it serve as a catalyst for action. Embracing fear and taking courageous steps forward opens up new possibilities and propels you closer to your goals. Step 4. Visualize having plenty and use your creative energy to make sure dreams fit into the big picture of creation. Visualize a life of abundance and plenty. See yourself having all the resources you need to manifest your dreams. As you create this mental image, ensure that your aspirations align with the greater good, fitting into the broader canvas of creation. By harnessing your creative energy and directing it towards positive endeavors that benefit both yourself and others, you open up a wellspring of possibilities. Step 5. Share thoughts as strong echoes in life's grand hall for better alignment with universe's flow. Your thoughts are like echoes reverberating through the grand hall of life. Share your positive intentions and desires with the universe. Speak them aloud, write them down, or even confide in a trusted friend. By externalizing your aspirations, you amplify their strength and align yourself more harmoniously with the flow of the universe. Sharing your thoughts and dreams helps to solidify your intentions and create a powerful ripple effect in manifesting your desired outcomes. Step 6. Dive into Dolores Cannon's wisdom for insight on manifesting reality. Delve into the profound wisdom of Dolores Cannon, a pioneer in the field of consciousness exploration and manifestation. Her groundbreaking insights and techniques provide invaluable guidance on how to tap into the power of the mind and the universe to manifest your desired reality. Through her work, you'll discover profound insights and practical tools that will elevate your manifestation journey to new heights. Step 7. Welcome challenges as opportunities for growth and expansion into full potential. Challenges are not roadblocks, but rather stepping stones on the path to success. Embrace them with open arms, for they present opportunities for growth and expansion. See them as valuable lessons and stepping stones towards your full potential. By viewing challenges as invitations to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient, you align yourself with the transformative power they hold. Congratulations, dreamers! You've now discovered the roadmap to turning your dreams into reality. Remember, it's not just about envisioning success, but taking inspired action steps towards your goals. Break them down into manageable tasks and consistently work towards them, for each action brings you closer to your desired outcomes. Infuse your efforts with passion, dedication, and persistence, and watch as life-changing outcomes take shape, propelling you to new heights of success. If you enjoyed this video and found value in the insights shared, we would appreciate your support. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. By subscribing, you won't miss any future empowering content that will further enhance your manifestation journey. We also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We'd love to hear how these strategies have impacted your life and manifestation journey. Your comments contribute to a vibrant community of like-minded individuals supporting each other on their path to success. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of your mind, aligning with the abundant flow of the universe, and manifesting the life of your dreams.